everyone, and welcome back to Microsoft Word. How to use a section brick like a pro. A section brick, we're going to find it in layout. As I said before, this is a section brick. What is really a section brick? Think of a Word document like a book. Normally, all pages, as you can see, all pages share the same layout, same orientation. This one share same header and the footer. If you come here on insert, header and the footer, and also share the same page numbering. If you number a page here, all documents are going to share the same page number. But a brick section, as I told you before, here a brick section divide your document into parts. Each part, a section, can have different orientation, as you can see here, different margins, and also different header, and also different page numbering. So it's like creating documents inside one document. This is like a theory. Let us do a real example. So we're going to do a real example, landscape in the middle. Imagine page 1, we have a number of portrait and the text, and the page number 2, which is if you have a big table, you need landscape, and the page number 3 back to portrait. So I'm going to do this real example. You will see how to go to brick and also to handle these bricks in Microsoft Word. Then practicing page bricks. Let's use a real example of this document. As you can see, it has only 3 pages. Then I want this page number 2. You can see page 1, page 2, and the page 3. Only page 2 will be in landscape. As you can see, all document is in portrait. So I'm going to the end of page number 2. Page number 1 here. As you can see, this page, this is my cursor. I put it here, and I come to, as you can see, layout, and then I click bricks. Scroll down, you can see page and section here, and then click next page. You can see only page number 2 is in new section. As you can see, after clicking creating a new section, the cursor is here, and then you go back to the end of page number 2. As you can see, the cursor, I put the cursor here and do the same. I go back to the bricks, select next page, and in the section bricks, I select the next page automatically. As you can see, the cursor goes down here. From now, page number 2 and the page number 1, page number 2, and the page number 3, each one has each section. So which means that page number 2 is in his new section. So I click anywhere in page number 2. I come here and put it in landscape. I come here. As you can see, this page number 2 only has a landscape format. As you can see, page number 1, portrait, page number 2, landscape, page number 3, portrait. If you are still watching, you are right there. Let me give you a theory and do it your own. This is a theory how to do it. You can pause the video and try to write it down, and try to do this in this Excel. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. This is step 1. Go to the end of page 1. Click the end of page. This is step number 3. Go to the end of page 2. Step number 3, change orientation. This is how to see the section. This brick has 3 steps. You will do it by using layout tab, using this bricks option that you can see here. This is a theory, as you can see. Let me scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. As you can see, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who want to master Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. See you in part 5. Ciao, ciao.